In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and let me show you how to activate USB debugging on the following device. So at first you need to reach your settings, then find and select developer options. If you cannot find developer mode right here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock this feature and then click to open. Scroll a bit lower then, and as you can see under debugging, you've got all features connected with it, but if you would like to activate it only, just mark the switcher. And from now on, just tap on OK. Your debug mode would be active once USB is connected. So this is it. That will be all. This is how you can activate USB debugging. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.